Hey guys, what's happening? Got a little weird video for you guys replacing white blades on your Chevy cars or trucks. The best white blades that I found are rainx expert fit to the hybrid blade technology. Alright, what's the difference between these and any other ones? Well, let me get you guys here. Let me crack one open. Maybe. These blades are hybrid. They got you got steel, you got your metal metal part, and it's also got your flex. So you can guys see how that works. I don't know how to explain it. See, here's your flex style. See how there's no, you can basically bend these wherever you want to go. They're freaking garbage. Literally garbage. Here, you guys want to see why they're garbage? This is what O'Reilly sold my dad on this car. That's what happens to them. They're garbage. And then you got your steel ones. These are plain Jane steel. So, what makes these better? Well, for 10 bucks a piece, that's what these cost. They are hybrid setup. So you got your wing guard here. Yes, there's a wing guard here. You guys can somewhat see it. There's a wing guard that helps when the wind blowing, helps push the blade onto your wiper. And it's also got your traditional metal underneath. So, I don't know how to really explain how these are better. They just don't perform like the old ones. Now, what you do with the old ones is you get them like that and snap them down. See, these also got the wing on them. But you can see, and these are rainx too. But I don't like these. I don't like these at all. I hate this design. But they're not, they just don't, these ones don't work. And the traditional one sucks. I don't know how else to explain it to you guys. I didn't put these on the van, by the way, guys. Now, how you put these on, you pop this open and you slide your wiper arm in. Again, open up this tab here, pop it up, lift up your arm. Alright, I'll show you guys. Be closed like that, right? Lift it up. Put your wiper blade in the hole. Make sure that tab don't move. And pull. And that's how it goes. And don't forget to pull this little plastic strip out of your blade. And that's how easy it is to change a set of blades. Chevy's the only one I know can change a set of blades that quick. Now, give me a minute, I'll go get some washer fluid. And to top it all off, I run rainx 2-in-1 all seasons. This is it's good up to -20 degrees, removes light snow and ice and helps repel roll spray, which it actually does work in the winter. And it's powerful off bugs and road grime. I am not too sure about that, but I do know this crap's really good in rain. You don't have to run your wipers in the rain. If you use this stuff all the time, the rain would just beat off your windshield. It is so cool, guys. A little deadly if you guys know what I mean. Now, I do not know if I fixed the leak on this. About $2.50 a gallon is a little expensive. So let's just put that much to see if it leaks. So, there you go. I'm not sponsored by Rainx, but I really love this crap. Not only that, I also have ringnecks. God damn it, you fucking piece of shit cat. Rainx anti-fog. I use that in the tracker. It does work. I don't know who makes it, but I also use invisible glass cleaner. So, yep, that's just a little short video about to you guys. Try rainx, guys. Really, try rainx. Rainx is one massive company out there that really puts 120% into their products. They don't just scam you guys for money. So try them, okay? So, hope you guys like it. I really appreciate all the subscribers I've had. I'm going up and down with this channel. I just don't know where I want to put it. So, I really appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys keep on subscribing to each other. So, I'll catch you guys on the long run. See you guys.